Good morning, student. Welcome back to online classes. In this lecture, we are going to study English subject, page number 57, buying things. Okay, before we start this lesson, before I explain this lesson, tell me, children, you are also going to the market? Yes, to buy something? Yes, with their parents, with grandparents. Yes, you are also going? Yes. Okay, so let's start. Listen and read. Soham and Riva are going to a shop with their parents. There is a two children. Yes, and these two children are going to the shop with their parents. Okay, as you see in this picture. Yes. Okay, what a big shop. Mother wanted to buy something. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Okay. Here mother also want to buy something and her father also want to buy something. Okay. Here the mother is asking to the children, how about you? You also want to buy something? Children are thinking about. Okay, and here her mother is giving a money to the children to buy something whatever they like. Okay. Okay, so shall we buy chocolate? Here the children are thinking what we buy. Okay, shall we buy chocolate? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, mother. Here children are thinking about what we buy. Okay, and they asking to mother, please help us. Okay, what should we buy? They is helping, they is take a help to the mother what he want to buy. Okay, well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy something, make something yourself. Okay, here mother are mother are saying the children's, well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly. They are saying, mother are saying that you buy something which are finish up quickly. Yes, like chocolate finish quickly. Yes. Okay, now you can buy something which will last long, and other is saying you can buy something which is last long. For example, crayons we can use crayons last long. Yes. Okay, so you can buy something made by others, and you can buy things made something yourself, or you can buy something to make yourself. For example, you can take papers and make some new things from the papers. Yes, from yourself, like this. Understand all of you? Okay, now next is here. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. And they are thinking that it is very good idea to take a something, to buy something, and we make a something new from this material. Okay. So here children are decided to buy. Okay. Soham and Riva pick up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and color. How much it is? And they pick up paper, glue, as you see here. Yes, and colors, and they are asking to the shopkeeper how much it, that means what was the price of this material. Okay, then 95 in all, the shopkeeper says 95 in all. Okay, 95 rupees. Here's the money, 100 rupees. Thank you, I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is, that's the right, thank you. Then the material price is what, 95 rupees. Yes, and children are giving 100 rupees. Then shopkeeper give them back to the 5 rupees. Okay, understand all of